Um, I wake in the morning. I study math, and
Mm-hmm.
in the lunch I eat chicken rice and meat.
Mm-hmm.
In the evening I go to play badminton, and in the evening I I eat dinner and play soccer.
Oh, wow, that's nice.
Yes,
Then, all right. Thank you so much for sharing. Okay, so yeah, you have a busy day yesterday. You have a busy day yesterday?
it is
Busy day.
easy.
Yeah. Do you have a busy day yesterday?
Yes,
Yes. All right. So that's great to know. And thank you so much for sharing with me.
yes,
All right. Then how about um and you play soccer, right?
yes.
Mm. Did you
I'm
play
a badminton.
badminton? Sorry. Okay, one moment. So here, succeed it. Okay. Yeah, let me share my screen to you long. One moment. And after our class, do you have any lesson to attend?
Yes, I do my homework.
Oh, you will do your homeworks.
Yes,
That's nice to hear. Okay.
okay.
We have this one. Okay, so yeah, could you please write? Okay, are you ready now for our lesson?
Yes.
Yes, that's nice to hear. Okay, can you please read the reading part?
With the
Yeah, reading part. Can you see my screen by the way? Can you see what is the task?
now, I hope you are well. We are have with a night.
Sorry, sorry. What did you say?
Yes,
Can you see my screen?
yes, I can.
All
But
right. Mm-hmm.
uh, listen, listen. What study?
Uh, what? Sorry. The audio? There's no audio putting here. Just the reading part. Did you see this one? Can you see?
Yes,
Yeah, so we are already at okay, page 6. All right. Oh, I'm
now
sorry.
be seven, seven.
7?
Yes, seven.
Yeah, we already finished. Yeah, because I bring the other laptop, so I don't have the um yeah, because my other laptop is broken. Yeah, here. Okay, can you please read writing part?
Writing back.
Mhm. What is the task?
In the past, I said when you have to write a short story of
30.
35 words or more bars on trees, pictures that you will be given. You will use the three pictures to make your short story.
Okay. So, yeah, please read it again to me. Okay. Oh, sorry. I'm not good in lining. Okay, let's read this one. This one. Given,
Giving,
based.
blessed,
Say it again. Based.
blessed.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have how to do the task. All right, I will help you to read here. Okay, so first of all, read all the instruction carefully. Look at the three pictures and decide what happens to the story and also what happens to them. All right, so think of the vocabulary that you need to write the story. Okay. You must use all three pictures in your story. So you may need to write some notes to help you plan your story before you write your final answer. All right?
Alright.
All right. Very good. Okay, then let's have. Okay, I don't think so. If what number is it? Okay. Now let's have. Okay, so sorry. So let's practice here. Oh, okay, so let's practice. Could you read it?
Yes.
Mhm.
Look at the three picture. Why the star snow in the picture? Why 30 was or more?
Okay, very good. So here, look at the three pictures and then one, two, and three
Three.
pictures. Yes, then see, he said that write the story shown in the pictures. So write 35 words or more than. Okay, so are you ready?
Ready?
Okay, ready. So let's have model answer. So let's read first. All right. Okay, so last Sunday, Jenny was walking with her dog. This one. Uh, with her dog Spot. So suddenly, Spot saw a cat. He ran after the cat. Jenny could not find Spot anywhere. She was very worried and walked home alone. When she arrived at her house, she saw Spot waiting for her. So here, Jenny was very happy to see him. All right. So he said that while Jenny walking on the street, so Spot see or suddenly saw a cat. This one, this is the cat.
Yeah, it's two.
Sorry?
It's one.
Yeah, one. So already, so he saw a, a cat.
Cat.
Yeah, he saw a cat and then he ran after the cat like
Cat.
he is trying to catch the cat. All right?
Right.
Then she is see then Jenny could not find
But
Spot anywhere.
okay.
Yes. Then she was very worried and walked along home. She go back home, right?
Yes.
And then when she arrived at home, she saw Spot waiting for her outside. Here is Spot. You see Spot here? Did you see Spot?
This
Did
something.
you? Yeah, Spot is waiting for her. All right. Okay. This time, all right, it's your turn to tell me a story about these three pictures. One, two, and three. Okay? All right. Same with the with the sentences or with the uh phrases here. Okay? Could you make uh could you make a story about this picture?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now let's have okay. Okay, now it's your turn. Okay, one moment. All right, now let's have number one. Okay, what does Jenny did?
Last Sunday, Jenny was working with her dog, Sebastian.
Sorry?
Last Sunday, Jenny was working with the the dog with her dog, Sebastian. Still Daniel.
Suddenly,
Picture one.
picture one. Okay, picture one, suddenly.
Yes.
Okay, then suddenly. Okay,
Picture
number two.
picture two. Sebastian saw a cat. He ran after the cat. Jenny could not find Spot anywhere. He was very was this? It
Any
was
anywhere.
a
Okay.
picture tree.
Okay, picture two. All right, how about picture three?
Uh, she was very worried and what this harm anyone when he after it her house. She was waiting for her. Jenny was very happy to see him.
To see him. Okay, let us. So those are correct. Okay, let us read again. So when she arrived, say it again. When she arrived,
Uh, when she
when she arrive. Say arrive,
arrived,
arrive.
arrived
Okay, at her house,
at her house,
she saw
she saw
Spot.
Sebastian.
Okay, very good. All right. So that is all correct. All right. Do you have any questions for the pictures? Do you have any questions?
Yes,
Mhm.
do you go to cinema at the weekend?
Cinema. This weekend we didn't go to cinema. Last time we go to cinema is last month. Yes. All right. Did you go to cinema yesterday on weekend? Do
Yes,
you? Yes.
um,
Sometimes. Wow. What do you watch or yeah, what do you watch in a cinema or movie?
I I watch Conan film.
Sorry?
I watch Conan in the cinema.
Detective Conan, is it?
Yes.
Wow, you like Detective Conan. I like Detective Conan too. All right. Okay, so thank you so much for that. Okay, since okay, do you have any more question?
Um, do you like play computer games?
Computer game. Yes. Sometimes I play computer games if I have sometimes. Okay, but if you don't have times, then I'm not playing video game. All
Yeah.
right. Thank you so much. Okay, do you have any more question? No questions. All right, so thank you so much for that. All right, then let's move on to listening. Okay, so here in part, okay. So I will read the task. So what is the task? So in part one of the listening paper, there are five short listening. So each with a question on three pictures. You will listen to the short speakers and then choose the pictures when which best answer the question that you have been asked. Okay? So you will be listening for specific information in part one. So you will hear all the listening twice. All right?
It's alright.
So, okay, let me find the listening part of this one.
Bi bộ. Rồi.
So, listening part one.
Succeed in A2 key. Test 1. This is an A2 key English listening test. There are 5 parts to the test. You will hear each piece twice. We will now stop for a moment. Please ask any questions now because you must not speak during the test. Part 1. Now, look at the instructions for Part 1.
Okay, one moment.
For each question, choose the correct answer. Look at question 1. 1. What time is the man's plane leaving?
What time shall I drive you to the airport?
Well, I should be there by 11 p.m.
I don't think you
Can
need
you
to be
hear?
that early. That means you will wait for
No,
2
wait.
hours.
Can you
Okay,
hear?
let's leave at 11:30.
That's-
It's only half an hour to get to the airport, so I'll have an hour to get to.
All right, can't you hear?
Yes, I can.
Okay, one moment. Okay, let me stop first.
Part 2.
Two.
Now look at Part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date,
No,
or
I
a
can't.
time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds.
I think this is not the audio. I will find it for you so that we can listen.
You will hear a teacher talking to a group of students about a trip.
I know most of you are interested in going on tomorrow's class trip, so here's everything you need to know about it. As our last visit to the Arts Museum was so popular, I'm glad to say we're going to the Music Museum this time. I know we usually travel by train, but a coach will be much faster this time.
Oh, I
The
think this
coach
is
leaves
part
at
one. Okay,
8:30
one moment.
a.m., so we must have everyone on it
Part
by
one, is it?
8:20 at the latest.
Yeah, it's not showing the how is it? It's not shows what part, but yeah, I think it's part one. So let me see if it is part one.
Succeed on. For a moment. Please ask any questions now because you must not speak during the test. Part 1. Now, Look at the instructions for part 1. For each question, choose the correct answer. Look at question 1. One. What time is the man's plane leaving?
What time shall I drive you to the airport?
Well, I should be there by 11 p.m.
I don't think you need to be
Yeah,
that.
this is not that one. So yeah, I can't find the audio for this. Find picture doing all the things. So this is all for the script. It says a picnic on Sunday. So it's not those.
Number A.
Yeah, letter. It's letter.
A.
Yeah, letter. Okay.
A.
Yeah. So this is letter. We will call letter. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this is number. So those are numbers. All right.
Right.
All right. Very good. Okay. So again, so what is your answer for number? All right. For number 1.
Number 1.
Number 1 is
A.
letter A. All right. Okay. So thank you so much. Okay. Let's have A. Okay. Then next. I think this one is on the lower down. Okay. So so here let's have, okay, read the script. Okay, script by Dave and um Dave and yeah, with the, okay. So first I will read letter G, and you will read letter B. Okay? All right, let's switch. Let's have a role play, okay? So, hi Dave, how was your picnic on Sunday? Did you still go? I think it rained, didn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Read letter B. Oh, oh, I'm sorry. Yeah, you can. Can you see my screen? All
No.
of my screen.
No.
Oh, that's why. I'm sorry. Yeah. All right, here. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, let's have again. So I will read G and you will read B. Okay. All right. So hi Dave, how was your picnic on Sunday? Did you still go? I think it rained, didn't it?
Yes. Didn't it? Not until most late. We went here before it started.
Okay. That was lucky.
Yes, it was a lovely, bright
Bright.
morning.
See,
Bright, mo-
bright,
bright,
bright.
bright morning. Father, nearly we didn't go today with this strong wind.
All right. Very good. So, okay, that's it. All right. So let's justify the answer. Okay, let's analyze the answer. So Dave says, so it was a lovely, bright morning. So this is the correct answer. All right. So yeah, your answer was correct. Then the girl think that the rain, but the boy says that it didn't rain until after lunch when they were back at home. Okay. Now let us letter C. Okay, so it said it wasn't windy on Sunday. It is windy today. All right, so your answer is correct. Very good. Do you have any question?
Do you like reading comics?
Reading comics? You said
Yeah.
reading comics?
Yes.
Reading comics. Before, when I was a little, or when I was in elementary, I like reading comics. But then now, I'm too busy, so yeah, I don't have time to read comics. All right, so that's great. Okay, so good. You answered the questions correctly.
So,
Okay,
can I drink?
can I drink water?
Yes.
Okay, go ahead. You drink it.
Part 2. Now look at Part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now.
Oh, teacher.
You have 10 seconds.
Hello. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
You will hear a teacher talking to a group of students about a trip.
I know most of you are interested in going on tomorrow's class trip, so here's everything you need to know about it. As our last visit
Yeah,
to the
because we
Arts Museum was
have
so popular, I'm glad to say we're going to the Music Museum this time. I know we usually travel by train, but a coach will be much faster this time. The
I
coach
can
leaves at
find the audio
8:30
because
a.m.,
it
so we
says
must have
that
everyone on it by
part
8:20 at the latest.
part
Please try
part
not
3.
to be
Oh.
late. We are going to meet at 8 o'clock outside
Let
the
me try
library.
again. So
This is the
I'm
building
trying
opposite
to
the gym.
search
No,
the
Part
audio.
can I?
3.
No, can I hear?
Now look at Part 3.
Sorry. Sorry. Sorry,
Yes.
could you say it again?
Yes.
Okay.
For each question, choose the correct answer. Look at questions 11 to 15 now.
11 to 15.
You have 20 seconds.
Oh.
You will hear Lee talking to his friend Paula about going to the cinema.
Cinema.
Hi, Paula. I've got some free tickets, so some of us are going to the cinema. Are you free tonight?
Yes, I'd love to come with you. Who else is coming?
I wanted to ask Sarah and her brother, but as he's sick, they wouldn't come. So there'll be 3 of us from my basketball team.
Yeah, yeah, I can't find the audio about that. So, but the link that sent me is, yeah, Key to Succeed Kit. Oh, yeah, same. but it is not much. Yeah, it is not much on my audio here. Yeah, so we need to have those audios so that we can know what is the answer. Mm. You to succeed. All right. So how about this one? Okay, let me check. I think this is not also. Oh, it's too difficult. Yeah, so it shows this one links. All right, so yeah, let's move on first. Okay, so now let's have this one first. Okay, so look, let's practice. Okay, so look at the script and find the answer to the question. So for each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Okay, write one word or a date or a time. Oh, I think I found it. You will hear the university professor talking to the group of university student. Ah, yes, I find it. Okay, I find it now.
Part
Okay,
2.
let me. Okay, I will share to you. Okay. Okay, maybe full screen. Okay, tell me if you can hear my audio. Okay.
Now look at part 2. For each question, write the correct answer in the gap. Write one word, or a number, or a date, or a time. Look at questions 6 to 10 now. You have 10 seconds.
6 to 10. Where is 6 to 10? Up. Where is 6 to 10? 6 to 10.
You will hear a teacher talking to a group of students about a trip.
I know most of you are interested in going on tomorrow's class trip, so here's everything you need to know about it. As our last visit to the Arts Museum was so popular, I'm glad to say we're going to the Music Museum this time. I know we usually travel by train, but a coach will be much faster this time. The coach leaves at 8:30 a.m., so we must have everyone on it by 8:20 at the latest. Please try not to be late. We are going to meet at 8 o'clock outside the library. This is the building opposite the gym. You can have your own snacks with you and you can buy water and drinks at the museum. No food will be served during our visit. Tickets cost £9.50, but as we are a large group, we get a £3 discount, so that's £6.50. Make sure you bring the money at the time of the visit if you haven't paid already.
All right. So that's it. Can you hear it?
Now, listen again.
I know most of you are interested in going on tomorrow's class trip, so here's everything you need to know about it. As our last visit to the Arts Museum was so popular, I'm glad to say we're going to the Music Museum this time. I know we usually travel by train, but a coach will be much faster this time. The coach leaves at 8:30 a.m., so we must have everyone on it by 8:20 at the latest. Please try not to be late. We are going to meet at 8 o'clock outside the library. This is the building opposite the gym. You can have your own snacks with you and you can buy water and drinks at the museum. No food will be served during our visit. Tickets cost £9.50, but as we are a large group, we get a £3 discount, so that's £6.50. Make sure you bring the money at the time of the visit if you haven't paid already.
6:30.
6:50.
That is the end of part 2.
All right, so that is the end of part 2. So that's it. Okay, so let me ask you some question. So on the audio, you will see or you will hear that they will go on. Where they will go? On a trip.
Okay.
On a trip, right?
Yes.
Yes. Where they will go? Where they will visit?
Museum.
Yes. Music. Museum. Say it again. Music.
Music. Museum.
All right. So how much is the entrance fee? 6
6:50.
pound.
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 Yeah, 650 pound. Very good. All right. So that's the good job. All right. Do you have any questions?
Tell me about the weekend.
My weekend, nothing special. Same. Just I have a work and yeah, some groceries at supermarket and mhm. uh, I have a class or I have a one class for my student or my regular student on weekend. All right. That's it. Thank you so much for asking. Okay. Do you have any question then?
Yes. What do you like doing at the weekend at the home?
Oh, what do I like to eat at home on weekend? I like to eat ramen. Yeah, a spicy ramen. Do you like spicy ramen?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Oops, where is it? Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much. Key. So let me have this one. Okay, let me stop my screen. Okay, let's have the next lesson we have. Okay, let me take. How about your weekend? How was your weekend? Is your weekend well?
I in the morning I go to a badminton and at the lunch I I eat ginger and eggs. At the afternoon I go to study in the
Mhm.
evening I do my
Wow, very good. So you don't forget to do your homeworks. Okay,
studies.
that's great. Okay, so let's continue. So that sounds delicious. Okay,
Yes.
okay. Okay, so okay, let me share to you bigger rather so that you can see it. Okay, can you see it clear?
Yes.
Okay,
Activity by Tree.
yeah, we have already on. Yeah, we finished here. So we will have this group work. So we will discuss, okay, about the question. Okay, so let's have. I see. I think this one. Okay. Oops, not this one. All right. So can you cook?
Mom cook
Your mom can cook. All right. So what things can you cook? Ano, what things can you cook? Or what food can you cook?
Mom and Dad cook. I sometimes cook.
Wow, sometimes cook. All right, what do you usually cook?
I usually cook rice and noodles
Wow, rice and noodles.
and
Uh,
eggs.
eggs.
Yes,
And what cooked for egg?
yes.
What cooked? Is it a boiled egg, fried egg,
Two eggs,
s- scrambled?
scrambled.
Scrambled egg. Is it?
Two eggs,
Swiss, is it this one? Wait, I will write down. Sorry. Twist. Is it that one? Now?
eggs,
Uh-huh.
eggs,
Okay, then next.
soy sauce.
Oh, with soy sauce?
Yes.
All right. What kind of cook is that? Hmm? So is it like a scrambled egg?
No.
Like,
Um, noodles,
mhm. Go ahead. It's noodles.
street movie,
Mhm.
uh, um, apple,
Is it like this? Okay, let me share it to you. Oh, my. All right, it's loading. Is it this one? The one that you said? Scrambled egg?
yes.
Yeah, you cook this food. Wow, very good. All right. What else can you cook?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You cook this one?
I cook one, no, bitter one. I cook bitter one.
Is it? Oh, sorry. Oops. Scrambled egg. Mm-hmm.
Eggs of Thomas, of Thomas,
Sorry?
eggs of Thomas.
Mm-hmm. Okay, can you spell it? Can you spell? S?
S, E, no,
Forgot.
mm,
All right, so good. All right, now it's okay. Yeah, but you can cook, right? So that's nice. Okay, thank you so much for that. Okay, oh, all right. Let me close maybe some tabs so that, yeah, it's very. Ano ba? Wait lang. Lagpas. Now let's move on to the second question. Okay, what are your favorite main dish? So I think I will guess your favorite main dish is mm, noodles with egg
Why?
and rice. Okay, that's great. Okay, thank you. And then what are your favorite desserts or snacks?
Snack.
Or dessert?
Snack.
Yeah, snacks.
Yes.
What is your favorite snacks?
My favorite snack is always green snack.
Sorry?
Green snack.
Yeah, what is your favorite snacks? Is it pancake, muffins,
Monkey.
pancake? Do you eat pancake? Wow. Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for sharing. All right, how about desserts?
It is very delicious. Mm, and delicious.
Delicious and sweets, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, do you like ice cream?
Ice cream.
Ice cream?
No,
Yes,
ice cream.
ice cream. How about pizzas?
Yes.
Yes, you like pizza. How about um cake?
Yes, I like that.
You like cake. So what cake or what flavor of cake do you like to eat?
Ice and jammies.
Mm.
Ice and jammy. Yes.
Yeah, what flavor? Is it chocolate, strawberry, mm,
Strawberry.
strawberry? Wow, so you like strawberry cake. All right, so thank you so much. All right, so how about are you there any food and drinks you have all the time or never have? So it sometimes, right?
On the top.
Yes, and all the time. Wow. That's great. That's great. Okay, thank you so much for that.
Yes.
Okay, so all the time you can eat you all the time you eat cakes and other desserts. Okay. So that's great. Thank you so much again. Okay, so let's have this one. So let's have a small conversation. So here I will ask you, okay, I will read A, you will read B, A and C. So let's exchanging the rules, okay?
Yes.
All right, let's start. Can you cook? Is there a special dish you can make?
I can cook. I can make cereal with milk.
That's cool cooking. Can I can really cook. My best dish is vegetable stew.
I can't cook, but I really like to learn.
Okay. What are your favorite main dish?
My favorite meats are tempura and bella.
Tempura.
Tempura.
Yes, tempura. Okay, very good. Okay, next.
I love tempura too, and I like all kinds of
Oh,
pasta.
I love tempura too, and I like all kinds of pasta. Okay, next. What are your
My favorite is delicious is pudding.
Pudding.
and pudding.
Yes, pudding. Okay, next. My favorite dessert. Oh, sorry. My favorite dessert and snack is chocolate chips cookies.
And are there any foods and drink you have all the time?
In my family, we always have fish for breakfast.
We don't eat fish for breakfast, but we have fish every first day
Friday.
night for dinner.
Okay. So now let's talk about you. How about you? All right. Do you eat cereal with milk?
Yeah, in the morning I eat cereal with milk.
Oh, okay. So for me, I eat cereal with milk if um if in the evening after class. Yeah. When I'm hungry. All right. Thank you so much. And how about, do you know tempura?
Yeah, and
Yes. Do you like tempura?
yes, I love tempura.
Yes, you love tempura. How about chocolate cake? Or
Uh,
chocolate chips cake? Cookies, I mean, cookies.
I sometimes eat chocolate cookies.
Oh, very good. Okay, so, and what do you have or what do you usually have for breakfast?
I eat bread. I eat bread for cereal and milk.
Oh, all right. Thank you so much
Very
for sharing that.
healthy.
Sorry?
Very,
Very?
very healthy.
Yeah, very healthy. That's correct. So we eat healthy food all the time. All right. So thank you again. Okay, do you have any question?
Um, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food. Okay, for my snacks, I like to eat bread and I like to drink coffee. For my dessert, I like to eat um I like to eat sweets like cakes and cookies.
Uh, where,
Or mhm, go
where,
ahead.
where, where do you like going with your friends?
Do I like to eat with my friends?
Yes,
I like to eat with my kids.
yes. Wow.
Yes. All right.
Do you like going to the back?
Sorry?
Do you going to the back?
To the back?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So thank you so much for that again. All right. Let's have, okay, activity 3. So activity 3, so communication task. So this one, so work it in a group, but of course we are only you and me, so we are only work it together. Okay, so let's have, okay, French cake and, okay, so this one, okay, so a small vocabulary. So crepes, this is a thin French pancakes. So it will called crepe. Okay, do you eat crepe?
I sometimes great.
Uh-huh. All right, sometimes you eat crepe. Okay, so are you buying outside or your mom cooked for you?
Wow.
Did your mom cook for you?
Mom is sometimes because
Some. Uh-huh.
So mommy cook.
Mhm.
So mommy cook.
Your mommy cooked for that for you?
That is cook and mom
Ah.
is cook.
Mm-hmm.
Mom and dad is cook.
Your mom and dad cook. All right. So is your mom is a good cooker?
Yes, mommy cook is pizza.
Wow, that's nice to know. Thank you so much for sharing. All right, so here, great is to rub food such as a cheese against a rough surface or surface in order to create a small pieces. All right, so that is called grate. Okay, yeah, do you know how to, do you see a cheese grating with a great accessories or tools? Yeah, that was well, that is called a grate. Okay, so let's have mostly. So a type of Swiss cereal served for breakfast or as a dessert, moistly. Okay, invented by nutritionist Dr. Bircher Brenner in Switzerland. So where is it called Bircher Bircher mostly. All right. So that is kind of vocabulary or that kind of food for French people. Okay, so we don't eat it some mostly. So this one we call Swiss moistly. So a kind of cereal and then they put some milk. Yeah. Do you eat this kind of food?
I love pizza.
Pizza.
Yes.
Wow. All right. And what flavor of pizza do you like to eat?
I sometimes eat mommy cook.
Mm. Is
Mom
it pepperoni, Hawaiian?
mom cook pizza.
Is it uh very good?
Yes.
Very tasty? All right, so that's great. So thank you so much for that long. Okay, so yeah, let's move on to the next page.
Yes.
Okay, let's have going out to eat.
Yes.
All right, so let's have here. So pair of work. So imagine you're in a cafe. So read the menu and decide what to order. All right. But since we don't have enough time um discuss, all right. So let's have maybe this one on next meeting, I think. All right. Okay, one moment.
Yes.
Who is it? Is it Huang? He's so shouting. Is he shouting?
Younger.
Yeah, younger brother. And then after our lesson, he is using same device, or do you want me to call on his account?
Yes.
Yeah, same account?
Monday,
Ah, okay. Okay. One moment. All right, so do you have any questions here?
Um, tell me about your holiday.
Oh, my holiday? I think there's no special on my holiday, just and um sleep and washing clothes, So mom's work, yeah. Like what your mom did in every holiday. So that also I'm doing at home. Yeah, because I'm already a mom. Okay. All right. Any questions then?
No question.
No questions. All right. So thank you so much, Huang. And yeah, see you again on next.
See you again.
Yes. So goodbye for now. And of course, okay, let me give you some rewards. Okay. One moment here. I gave you some okay trophies instead.
I,
Yeah, because you are very attentive and oh